Bye-bye the Christmas tree. ...2022. Taking care of our old Christmas tree. Lit her up really quick. It is our first actual snow storm, snow in general. Feels like it's supposed to be -21 right now. So I figured, what the hey, I'm gonna head out, burn this tree, go run around, check some traps, see what this weather really feels like. I can already feel the icicles building up in my beard, so it should be a fun afternoon. Let's get started. Alright, I can already see the orange golf ball. Nothing hitting that one up. Alright guys, second trap. Got another coon. There it is, just woke it up. You can see right there. Hey guy. Alright, take care of this guy. We'll move on. Alright, just passed up my third trap. Nothing in it. Of course, I place these traps where it's just always so sketchy. And my fourth one's coming up here. Yep, there it is. Let's do it with the golf ball. Alright, I think I'm gonna trek down to the bottom of that ravine. I got a camera set up down there. See if I can go swap out the cards. Not sure which direction I want to go to get down there. The camera's down there. You can see the springs actually running up down there pretty nice. Alright, got 5 traps in, only one coon. Pulled one card so far, so I got a couple cards to pull still. But it is so cold out here. My camera batteries and the whole camera itself is just shutting down at times, so it's getting all blurry. So I'm gonna shut everything off, throw my backpack for a bit, throw my pockets, see if I can warm some of these electronics up, keep on trucking through here. So we'll see how this plays out. All right, just got up here to the last trap. Wow, some beard sickles going on for sure. You can see that pink golf ball back there, so nothing's hit this one up. I got 2 cameras to check still. And probably just head back to the house and get warmed up. So it is freaking cold out. All right, guys, last camera checked. It's right back there. It's on that post. That's the pictures you've been seeing lately on my Trail Cam Tuesdays of the deer and bobcat, coyotes, whatever, jumping over the creek and stuff like that. So I don't know, just kind of a cool spot. A little more action, I guess, there. So I just figured I'd keep it there for another week. Move some other cameras around, change the angles a little bit. I got about 400 to 500 photos altogether. So get home, sort those out. But yeah, last camera's checked and done. Hiking back out of here now.